Welcome to ERAYAK's production line, where precision meets innovation. First, we begin with laser marking on the engine casing. Using cutting-edge technology, the laser engraves essential product details, ensuring traceability, durability, and brand identity. Each mark is inspected for clarity and accuracy, guaranteeing a professional finish. This process not only enhances product appearance, but also reinforces ERAYAK's commitment to quality. Next, we proceed to bearing installation, a vital step in ensuring smooth and efficient engine operation. The bearings are precisely aligned and secured, minimizing friction and optimizing performance. Our skilled technicians double-check every detail, making sure each component meets our exacting standards. Quality and precision drive every action on our production floor. At ERAYAK, we don't just make generators, we create power solutions you can rely on. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at our innovative production process. Let me know if you need assistance in formatting subtitles into a file or further refining the content.